Hey there, want to grow your money but don't know where to start? Mutual funds might just be the perfect solution. In this video, I'll break down mutual funds for beginners, a complete guide, in simple, easy to understand terms. Let's dive in. So, what is a mutual fund? Imagine a big pool where many investors, like you and me, contribute our money. A professional fund manager then takes that pool of money and invests it in stocks, bonds, or other assets. Instead of picking individual stocks, you get a diversified investment with just one purchase. Now, how do mutual funds work? Here's the deal. You invest money into a mutual fund. The fund manager buys a mix of stocks, bonds, or other securities. The value of your investment grows, or falls, based on the performance of those assets. The best part? The professionals handle the investing for you. There are different types of mutual funds to match your investment goals. Equity funds. Invest in stocks, higher risk, higher returns. Debt funds. Invest in bonds, lower risk, stable returns. Hybrid funds. Mix of stocks and bonds for balanced growth. Index funds. Track a market index like the S&P 500 for long-term growth. So why should you invest in mutual funds? Here are a few reasons. Diversification lowers risk by spreading money across different investments. Professional management. Experts make investment decisions for you. Liquidity, easy to buy and sell when needed. Affordable, start with as little as $10 or $100. Now, how do you start investing in mutual funds? It's easier than you think. 1. Choose a mutual fund that matches your goals. 2. Open an investment account with a broker or mutual fund company. 3. Decide how much you want to invest. 4. Set up SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, for regular investments. 5. Monitor your investments and stay patient. Before you start, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Investing without understanding risk. Chasing past performance instead of long-term potential. Ignoring fees and expense ratios. Not diversifying properly. Mutual funds are a great way to build wealth over time without needing expert knowledge. Start small, stay consistent, and let the power of compounding work for you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more investing tips. See you in the next one.